Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can put a video inside of shapes. Pretty helpful. Okay, so here we can see we have different shapes. So we have the rectangle tool. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to grab or draw or add some couple of shapes. Then I can add this one and then this one and then another one here. I can click on this selection tool and move the shapes. Now I have all the shapes here. And now what I can do here now is to go to effects, and then here I'm going to grab this effect. That's going to help us to put the video inside all the shapes here. And now this is very important where we drag this video on which one, so we can grab and drag it onto our video. And then here we're going to select here the V2. So it is in this one here. So they're positioned, all the shapes here are positioned in V2, video 2. So that's why I selected here video 2. If it was positioned video 3 here, then I would select, then see is not working because here I have to click here matte video 3. And now it works, and now I have the videos here inside the video inside of shapes. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials.